Testing audio with the Q900 original microphone with the gain set to 41. Testing audio with the original Q900 microphone, now gain set to 20. Now testing audio with the original Q900 microphone with the gain set to 5. Testing audio with the MH48 clone on the Q900 with the gain set to 5. Testing audio with the MH48 clone on the Q900 with the gain set to 20. Now testing audio with the MH48 clone on the Q900 with the gain set to 41. Now, testing audio on the Q900 with the Shure SM58 and talking far away to avoid overdrive. Now testing audio on the Q900 with the Shure SM58 microphone, and I just skipped the gain set to 20, and now the gain is set to 5. Now I will proceed with the testing on the 10-meter band, and now it's the gain set to 2 at the absolute minimum. Shure SM58 with the gain set to 41 and speaking far away. Now on the 10-meter band with the MH48 clone and with the gain set to 41. And now one last time with the MH48 clone on the Q900 with the gain set to 2. For this test, I took my self-made amplified mix with automatic gain control. And I'm also testing on different bands. And now again with the Shure SM58 to show it's not the microphone. Now watch the power meter with a good microphone and the gain set to 2, the lowest possible. The audio seems to be good again, but there's pretty much no power output. Very strange.